Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi everyone, my name is Ravi. Guys, today's agenda, health risks of using phone too much. Guys, before we started, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for notification and latest update. Let's continue. Guys, we live in a world full of people who are more often glued to their cell phones. In fact, most of you are so attached to our phone. This dependency on a smartphone comes with a range of harmful effects of your health and well-being. Let's have some points. What is phone? Effect of using cell phones, how to affect our health, waste of time and money, disadvantage and advantage of phone. Let's continue. Martin Cooper of Motorola, shown here in 2007, made the first published handheld mobile phone call on prototype model on 3 April 1973. Mobile phone is a wireless handheld device that allows the user to make calls and send text messages among other features. The earliest batch of mobile phone could only make the receive calls. Today mobile phone, however, they packed with a lot of additional features such as web browser, games, cameras, video players, notificational systems. A mobile phone may be also known as a cellular phone or simply cell phone. In fact of using mobile phone too much in today's fast moving in global world in almost possible to imagine our day-to-day life without mobile phone. Side effect of mobile using too much: headache, decreased attention, sleep disorder, depression, back pain, neck pain, and eyes problems. Bad impact of mobile phone on our lives. There is no doubt that a mobile phone is a handy tool. It easy communication with college friends and relatives. But technology that provides such benefits come with a set of negative impact. That impact of mobile phone is a youth and society is there is an area that require attention where is a giving your teen a phone there how to sell affect your teenagers. How affect cell phones teenagers? Fatigue, headache, loss of sleep, memory loss, rearing ears, joints pain. How to affect our health? Cell phone help us go through life with easy, but they might also be hurting you. Cell phone expose us to a form of magnetic radiation called radio frequency energy. Scientists have suspect that radiation increase the brain of cells damage leading to tumor. This is a big damage of your health. It affects your eyes, brain and heart negativity. For example, one of your organ can be cancered. Short wavelength blue light emitted by smartphone by contribute your heart disease, obesity, diabetes, etc. Guys, you can see in this graph, this is due to mobile phone devices. Brain tumor is a 74 percentage, male fidelity is 37 percentage, heart disease 45 percentage, effects on flesh 21 percentage, ear hearing function is 80 percentage, diseases 11 percentage and 3 percentage. Huge percentage of disease to mobile phone devices. Since 1980, when mobile phones first started to becoming commercial available, these devices has continued to develop the completely transform the way that human communicate. At first, they were just capable for making mobile calls, but over time and over function and technology has been added as well as benefits. However, they also brought a downside. 18 of main reason disadvantage of mobile phones. Cell phones are one of the reason of road accident. Distance for relatives and family members is one of the few negative impact of mobile phones. Mobile phone cases various health problem and sleeping issues. There are many security issues mobile phone that can be leak of private information and photos or videos. Use of mobile phones can damage your eyesight. Nowadays, very difficult to find people who not using mobile phone. Impaired concentration, heart risks, road accident, loss of hearing, brain cancer. Health effect of phone radiation is very danger for your health. Today's there are very few people who are not using mobile phone. Every person use mobile phone for daily life communication and business purpose. However, using mobile phone, we have to keep in mind that what are advantages for mobile phone. Keep us connected. Mobile phone keep us connected. We are call anyone in world very easy. We can make video calls, voice calls with mobile phone. Internet access. We can access internet with our smartphone. We can connect our friends, social sites, social media like Facebook, WhatsApp. Third one is storage and sharing. We can store a lot of informations of your mobile phone, images, video, text file can store save in mobile phone. Finally, conclusion is every good things when abused can be harmful, so is mobile phone. Consider when to use it, how to use it, and what to use it for, and just make sure your benefits fully from mobile phone you have make because it is the next biggest technical devices ever hit the global. So mobile phone have both disadvantage and advantages. It's depend on how we use it. We just have carefully in limited manner our better life. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe, comment, share, and drop in the description box. Thank you guys for taking time